Hey, what's up? Did you miss me? I'm back with the greatest update you ever seen. What's the big news? What's new? This update focuses on the add product section. We already made a quiz builder easier by adding templates, and publishing phases was just a few clicks away. But adding products, now that was the time-consuming task. Matching each product to different skin concerns. A bit of tricky, right? It required precision and effort. Not anymore. Now you have two options. Manually add your product like before, or let the AI do it for you. And trust me, our AI is super precise. 3 simple steps. Just click, click, click. You don't even need to type anything, and it's easy. So, if you have not installed Faces yet, and you have a skincare brand, you have to do it just right now, at this moment. And you already have it on your Shopify, but you were, stuck in the connecting product step. Just right now use our AI. And it's so easy to do, and it will take you, like 1 minute or 2 minutes. Before you go, do not forget to share this video, like it, leave a comment, do whatever it takes, to share it with your community. Until next time, salute.